Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Something. Today I'm going to cook stir-fry cabbage with carrot and egg. I have 350 grams of cabbage cut into square, 4 chicken eggs, 100 grams of carrot, 4 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1.5 tablespoons of crispy fried garlic, 2 tablespoons of cut spring onions, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. All the ingredients are ready. I like to start off with the eggs. We're going to put all 4 chicken eggs in the mixing bowl. Put in all salt, half of pepper, a little bit of sesame oil or of spring onions, 1 tablespoon of garlic oil. So now we're going to beat the eggs. Alright, egg is ready. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan to medium to high heat. When oil is getting hot, pour in the egg. We're going to slowly push in the egg, let it cook like that, just like how we do scrambled egg. Continue doing like this until the egg is cooked. Now I'm going to flip it bit by bit. When cooking the egg like this, I recommend to use a non-stick pan. So if you use a normal pan, egg might be stuck onto the pan. So I'm going to cook the egg until it's golden brown on both sides. Okay, now I'm going to switch off the heat. I'm going to use a spatula to cut the egg into bite size. Okay, now I'm going to take it out from the pan. In the same pan, switch on the heat to medium to high heat. Put in the balance of the garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic oil. Put in all carrot. Give it a stir. Put in half of the oyster sauce, half of light soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil. Give it a stir. Put in just about 2 tablespoons of water. Because carrot is hard, right? So we're gonna need to cook it for about 2 minutes just to make it soft. After about 2 minutes, carrot is slightly soft. You can check on it. And poke through. Just nice and crunchy. Now we put in the cabbage. Give it a stir. If it's getting too dry, we add in a little bit more water. Cabbage slightly softened. Now I'm putting in the oyster sauce, light soy sauce, balance of sesame oil, half of the garlic, all of the pepper, a little bit more water, now give it a stir. Oh, looks so yummy. Cabbage is already cooked and crunchy. If you want it softer, you can cook it longer. Now I'm going to pour back in the egg. Give it a mix. Now can give it a taste. Wow, delicious. Enough taste, enough flavor. If you want to add any more seasoning at this stage, you can do so, but for this cabbage, it's already delicious. So I'm going to switch off the heat. Stir-fry vegetable is best served immediately once it's cooked and while it's hot. So I'm going to dish out and serve. We still have the balance of crispy fried garlic. This kind of dish can be eaten with rice or on its own. Let's eat. Delicious, very tasty and flavorful. The cabbage is sweet and crunchy. Carrot is soft and sweet. Egg is fluffy and it's very nice fragrance of fried garlic. Combine everything in one bite. It is so delicious, lovely. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.